When the TT Control Masterboard software needs to be updated on a JLG compact crawler equipped with a Gen C electronic board, you will use Ramhino to connect the machine to your computer. Let's walk through the software update process using Ramhino and the TTC downloader. You're watching JLG University. Subscribe for the latest content and keep training within reach. Before starting the update process, connect your computer to a power source. Losing power during a software install can permanently damage a control module. Using the Ramhino diagnostic kit, connect the PCAN USB cable to your computer, then to the machine through the ground plug. Refer to the relevant machine manual to locate the ground plug position. Once the connection is made, switch the machine on. Then open the Ramhino application from your computer. Select the correct machine model from the top right area of the screen. Then select the Initialize icon. If you see changing communication values on the Ramhino main page, this indicates that CAN bus communication is active. If no data is displayed, check the machine power, battery condition, and CAN bus connection before continuing. The Software Uploader tab shows the software version currently installed on the machine. Contact our JLG Service Support team to identify and download up-to-date machine software. Select Get Installer to download the TTC application software. Once downloaded, double-click the installer icon, then follow the setup wizard until the installation is complete. After installing the TTC application to your computer, double-click the TTC icon to open the program. Now, select the Application Preferences icon and check the CAN bus preferences before loading the software file. Verify that the baud rate is set to 250 kilobits per second and click Apply. Next, select the CAN connection icon and choose the right device to use for communication. Then click OK and wait a few seconds for the board to connect. Do not power off the machine during the connection process. Once the lower message area confirms communication, select the relevant software file for the update. After the file is selected, check the status icons before continuing. A green checkmark icon will confirm the chosen software file is valid. A not equal icon indicates that the selected software file is different from the version currently installed on the control module. In this example, the equal sign icon indicates the selected file and install location contain the same software. To start the download, click Select for Download, then click the Download Application icon to flash the control board. The machine must remain switched on while the software is written to the board. When the update is complete, the update window will close automatically. A status message will appear at the bottom of the screen, along with a green check mark for file downloaded. To disconnect the TTC downloader, select the CAN icon and close the downloader by selecting the red X icon. Select Yes to save the current configuration. Now switch the machine off using the main key, disconnect the Ramhino connection cable, reconnect the CAN bus bridge connector, and reposition the cable in its housing. Then, turn the machine back on. To confirm the new software has been installed, push button number 6 on the control box. The current software version will be displayed at the bottom of the LCD. This completes the software update process for the TT Control Masterboard on a JLG compact crawler using Ramhino and the TTC downloader. Thanks for watching JLG University. Subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.